Three injured in multi-vehicle crash in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Three persons were rushed to hospital following a multi-vehicle collision in St. Anne's on Tuesday. A member of the St. Anne's Fire Department told Links 007 TV News that the incident occurred near the Mystic Mountain Adventure Park in Ocheria, St. Anne. Their injuries are not believed to be life-threatening. A video of the incident has been circulating on social media. The video shows passerby trying to remove an individual from a mangled motor car.
That's the blood?
No man, man. Hey, I just think him foot. He can't come out, man.
That car got hit?
Come on.
It was not immediately clear what caused the accident. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.